And I'm about to share with you 3 places where you can get paid to help people move, coming up next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 websites that you can go to right after watching this video. Of course, I want you to subscribe first, right? Subscribe first and hit the little notification button. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get these subscribers up, alright? But anyway, I'm going to give you 3 places you can go to that will pay you to help people move. Now, a lot of times people, when they look for work from home jobs, they're looking for more like online stuff where you got the headset, like I did a video on before. You know, you're sitting there in the comfort of your home. But sometimes people want to be their own boss, work from home, right? But you can leave. Maybe the job requires you to leave, but you're on your own schedule, right? So this video is more for those types of people. All right. So 3 places that will pay you to help people move. All right. The first place is called Dolly. Okay. This is a website. They actually have 2 different positions. You could be a I think a helper, or you could be a something else. I forget the name because I just read it. But there's 2 positions. You could be a driver, or you could be I think it's called a helper, and then a handler or something like that. So you can actually be a driver, which basically, drives to locations, and or you can be a helper, which basically, or a hand, whatever, is the person that actually physically moves the stuff, right? So from what I understand with Dolly, the driver makes a little bit more money than the actual, if you're just a helper. So if you don't drive, or you don't have a vehicle, you still can work for Dolly, because you could just be the handler and just be the guy who, you the muscle of the job, right? So I've seen on there, it says sometimes you can make anywhere between $15 to $30 an hour. All right, guys. So that could be some easy extra money. So if you're just sitting at home and you feel like you can lift some stuff and some good exercise at the same time, you might want to check out Dolly. All right. The next place is called Lug. Very similar, from my understanding, is very similar to Dolly. Same type of thing. You don't have to necessarily have your own vehicle, but you should be able to lift some stuff. With this, I believe some people say you can earn up to, I read on the blog post, up to $2,500 a week some movers are making from the Lug company. Now, seeing that, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I find that number hard to believe, but I think it might depend on location, where you at, what city you in, the pay rates, whatever. I'm sure that makes a difference. I would just guess, honestly, you probably could make decent money doing that. $2,500 seems extreme. That seems like you probably working like 40 hours, 50 hours a week doing this, but maybe not. Maybe it can be, but definitely worth checking out. All right. So the third site that you can go to right after watching this video, subscribing and checking out my description and everything, right, is a place called Bellhop. Now, Bellhop is very similar to the first 2 places I talked about, but this is more of a structured job opportunity, because like the first 2, you literally set your own schedule. If you only want to work like on Tuesdays, you can make it like, look, I only work Tuesday. All right. If you want to work only on Saturday, that's your prerogative. Now, from what I understand with Bellhop, you have to, it's more like there's certain jobs that require you to be there at a certain time, certain days, that you need to actually be available for. And what happens is you actually meet up with a group, and you have like a group leader and everything, and you guys all need to be at the same spot, same time, and handle your business. I'm not sure about what the pay is with Bellhop, but you can look for yourself and check it out. But there you have it, guys. 3 different places that will pay you to help people move. And this, to me, is a great side hustle, and it could turn into a full-time job. But this is great, I think, for college people. I would say retirees, but sometimes retirees might just, they don't want to lift stuff. But if you're a retiree, you might just want to be a driver. Maybe that's what you want to do. So this is a great opportunity, guys. Some people, a lot of people, I'm sure, didn't realize these type of opportunities were out there. So get out there, make some money, check out them sites. I'll put a link to all of the places that I talked about. They'll be somewhere in the description. So just find and click on it, and hopefully you can make some money from these sites. I actually read this post from a site called Real Ways to Earn Money Online, or Real Ways to Earn Money Online.com. Give you credit for this information. All right, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.